your subscribers. They will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have iPhone problem, Apple logo on screen, so you just see Apple logo and your system won't load. So how you can fix it? So first thing, just try to power off your phone and power on again. So just restore your phone, and if it doesn't help you, just try to make force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So on iPhone with Face ID, if you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So on this model of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button, and after you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. So after your system will load, and I hope you will fix your problem. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.